Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to unlock the specialty perk. And if you guys don't know what the specialty perk is, it's basically this perk right here, and you'll notice that it is unlocked. And in order to basically unlock this, all you have to do is you have to use like the same colored perk for perks 1, 2, 3, and then you will unlock it. So as you see that I'm using all the blue perks, and then I get the recon, and basically what that does is like when I spawn into a match, or like every time I die and I respawn, I basically see where all the enemies are for like 2 seconds, kind of like wall hacks. For like 2 seconds. It is very OP in small maps, and like I said again, in order to unlock it, you just have to use the same color for all the perks. So now if I use all red, it's gonna automatically change to whatever this is. I haven't actually seen that one. It's killing someone, killing enemies grant a temporary buff to movement speed and health. And yeah, and the same thing with the green one as well. And yeah, it's pretty simple and it's very easy to do. So that is how to unlock the specialty perk. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.